Do you ever find yourself staring at your Wave Payroll dashboard, wondering if you're setting up your team correctly? You're not alone. Many small business owners and freelancers hit a mental roadblock when it comes to the difference between an employee and a contractor. It's a key distinction that impacts everything from how you pay them to the tax forms you need at the end of the year. Getting this right is critical to staying on the right side of the IRS and keeping your bookkeeping clean. Today, we're going to demystify this process and walk through exactly how to add employees and contractors in Wave Payroll. We'll cover the core differences between the two, what information you need for each, and the step-by-step process to get them set up correctly, ensuring your payroll runs smoothly every time. Let's dive in. Before we click a single button, let's understand the difference. The IRS uses a few key factors to determine if a worker is an employee or a contractor. The main one is control. Think about it like this. Employees are on your payroll. You control what work they do, when and where they do it, and how they get it done. You also withhold their income, Social Security, and Medicare taxes from their paychecks and issue a W-2 form at the end of the year. Contractors, on the other hand, are self-employed. They have control over their own work. You pay them for a specific project or service, and they are responsible for their own taxes. You'll issue a $1,099 NEC form to them if you pay them more than $600 in a calendar year. Setting up an employee in Wave. All right, now let's get into the software itself. To add an employee, you'll go to the payroll section and click on Employees. From there, you'll choose Add an Employee. Wave will then guide you through a step-by-step process. You'll need to enter their personal information, name, address, date of birth, and Social Security number. Then, you'll add their work information, including their hire date, work location, and wage details, like their hourly rate or annual salary. Finally, you'll enter their tax and bank details. Wave will handle all the tax calculations and filings for you, which is a huge time saver. Now, for contractors, the process is slightly different because they are treated as vendors. From the main menu, you'll go to Purchases and then Vendors. Click Add a Vendor. You'll enter their name and make sure to select the type as a $1,099 NEC contractor. This is the most crucial step. It ensures that Wave will track their payments and generate the correct tax forms for you at year-end. You'll also need their Social Security number or employer identification number. Once they're set up, you can then create and pay their bills, and Wave will automatically handle the bookkeeping. This process might seem like a lot, but by classifying your workers correctly from the start, you're saving yourself a ton of headaches down the road. It ensures your books are accurate and you're prepared for tax season. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.